The United States is discovering, in case you're not clear on it, that it made a terrible mistake in foregoing that. And the Chinese are discovering how advantageous it is to be the manufacturer of the world in military capability terms. So if you're going to have a serious military, you can't afford the economic development you have had in the United States in the last 40 years when you hollowed all that out. Europe can't do that. The United States is discovering it can't do it, trying to undo the economic development, which it is having a hard time. Mr. Trump promised us that the tariffs would bring manufacturing back home, reshoring, they call it. If you look at the statistics since Mr. Trump took office on the 20th of January to now, the United States has lost 70,000 manufacturing jobs. It's not that we didn't gain what he promised. We didn't gain anything. We lost a significant chunk of what was already an emaciated manufacturing sector. So then what is Mr. Mertz's buildup of the military in Germany, or the promise to do something like it by Macron in France? I don't think that's a military to confront the danger of Russia, which has become a kind of hysteria in Europe. Bizarre, in my judgment. The reason you need a military is you're going to have to face your own European working class as it experiences the reduction and the loss of the social welfare they had come to take for granted. You're going to see battles. You're going to see yellow vests, only they'll be everywhere, not just in France. And they are going to confront the people who run European governments with a level of challenge for which they will need all the military and police might they can muster. Look, we already have a big buildup in our military, and their capacity to control our cities as they begin to become rebellion centers, unwilling to accept the destruction of the less than European welfare state we have here. Look at Minneapolis. Look at the general strike of January 23rd and January 30th. Things are heating up, and the military expenditures are more for domestic purposes than for anything else. And my suspicion is that's true for Europe as it is elsewhere.